In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the 8 Ball Pool game. So first of all, of course, if you have the 8 Ball Pool game on your phone, that will be great. But if you don't, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android. Sorry, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that or do that, all you need to do just go and open your game. Of course, if you wish to play this game on your PC or if you're interested on that, you'll find a video on the channel on how to do that exactly, so make sure to go and check it out. So once, as we said, downloaded your game and open it, you'll find for you three options: to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, to create an account, or you can just go and play as a guest. Of course, choose whatever you like, and whatever you choose will take you into this page, which is going to be your home or your main screen. So of course, from here you will be able to start playing and start doing so many other stuff. But in today's tutorial, as we said, we will show you how to change your language. So simply, I'm just going to click at the settings icon at the top. Sorry, I'm not the top, at the bottom left corner. So just go and click at that icon, and that will take you into the settings options. From here, of course, I'm just going to scroll down until I find this game options section and language option. So from here, I'm just going to click at the change option, and as you can see here, I have several languages. So of course, if I change to whatever language I want, so let's say as an example, I'm going to choose English, even if it's English right now. If I click as confirm, as you can see, it's updating and it will refresh it and it will change the language. So that will actually be for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.